chemical formula. Okay. Now today we will practice how to write. First of all, we will know how to write the chemical formula, and then we have to construct the structure of the formula. So for this I will make a chart regarding the valency of some cations and anions. It will help you. It is not that all the students know all about the cations and anions. So the valency. So here you will write two form, that is cations we have already, and anions. There are two chart, cations valency, anions their valency. In this format, mass of any atom can be find out. Here is the process. I will be discussed later on when we will come to the mole concept. When we will come to the mole concept, then we can detect the mass of an atom. Okay, now hydrogen H plus valency 1, then sodium plus valency 1, magnesium valency 2, aluminium valency 3, zinc valency 2, calcium valency 2, lead valency 2, iron 2 plus valency 2, iron 3 plus valency 3, valency 3, I think you can see the full board. Here anion, oxygen 2 minus 2, Cl single minus 1, next come to the some more anions, chlorine, iodine I minus 1, F minus 1, S 2 minus 2, SO3 2 minus 2, SO4 2 minus 2, PO4 3 minus 3, NO3 minus 1, H2O3 2 minus 2, N3 minus nitride 3, nitride is N3 minus, three, nitride having valency of 3. For example, aluminium nitride Al3N. Completed this part. This is oxide, chloride, iodide, fluoride, sulfide, sulfate, phosphate, nitrate, sulfate. Here hydrogen, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, calcium, lead, iron in 2 states. Another one right here in round, CO3 2 minus 2. There is also spaces, and HCO3 minus 1, HCO3 minus 1 and OH minus 1. Write these also. HCO3 minus phosphate is 3 minus, metaphosphate is 2 minus, HPO4 minus. There are 3 kinds of phosphate: orthophosphate, metaphosphate, pyrophosphate. Completed. Completed this chart. I think you have completed this chart. Now moving to the construction of formula. Okay, I am rubbing this part. Now starting with the formula from your NCERT textbook, hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. This is the name of the compounds given. Now first step, write the symbol. Number 1, so H and Cl. Number 2, put their valencies. Put their valency. So H 1, Cl 1. Number 3, cross multiply the data. So cross multiplying we will get H1 Cl1, but as 1 is not to mention, it is HCl. Okay, so write the symbol, then put their valencies. Now coming to the second example, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. So number 1, put their symbol sodium and CO3. Put their valencies 1 and 2. Cross multiply, sodium will go with 2, Na2, CO3. Number 3, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride. So first of all, write down the symbol and chlorine, then put their valency, it is 2, it is 1. Now cross multiply, Ca Cl2. Now you can see that in your book also the hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide S 1, it is 2. So H2S. Sodium sulfate. Sodium Na, sulfate SO4. Now put their valency 1, 2. Cross multiply, we will get Na2SO4. Now I have done it. Now you will do what would be the formula of calcium sulfate. Now writing here, what is the formula of calcium sulfate? Do it. What is the formula for calcium sulfate? Here you need not to be maintain the proper way, because here the capital letter, small letter is there, but you only to mention what would be the formula. Fast. Those who will be complete this one, I am giving next one, that is Ca2SO4 whole 2. Ronit, here it is not wrong, but we have to simplify it. So calcium 2, sulfate 2. Now Ca2SO4 whole 2, this is correct, but we have to simplify it, because these are the common factors. For example, here we have not written, in case of HCl, we have not written the 1 and 1. Okay, so we have simplified it, so it would be CaSO4. Yes, Next answer is correct. Now write down one cation in the chart. In the chart, add one cation, ammonium NH4 plus. Add it on the cationic side of that chart and the valency is 1. Write it down in your chart. Is it clear? Write the ammonium in the cationic part and write its valency. Okay. Now, what would be the formula for ammonium nitrate? Okay, do it. Okay, I am doing it because this is the first time introduced to you. So, ammonium NH4 valency is 1, just written here. Nitrate NO3, it is also 1. So, the formula will be NH4 NO3, no space will be there, NH4 NO3. Now, you will do what would be the formula for ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate, do it. I will see everyone's answer in the chat box. 12 students are present, everyone would respond on that. Ammonium sulfate, yes, Ronit, correct. Yes, Nafisha also correct. When you are doing the structural formula, then always maintain this path because it will be the simpler way. Yes, Mohok also correct. Ammonium sulfate, yes, Arpit, Kinjal. All are correct. I am waiting for the more students. Somnath, yes, correct. Okay, those who have completed, I am giving them a task. Formula for calcium bicarbonate. Calcium bicarbonate. Do it. Yes, Rajanna also correct, but too late. Calcium bicarbonate. Ronit, this time it was wrong. Calcium bicarbonate, I have written in the board. Yes. Now it is correct. CaHCO3. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Ronit, this is wrong. Just check the valency. Let's do it again. Yes, now it is correct. Now, I am asking one question. Anyone out of 12 students finding any kind of difficulties regarding the writing of the formula, ask me. any kind of problem, because this is a simple part and you have to be very familiar with respect to the formula, because it will helps to know about the compounds. Yes, correct. Somnath, Kinjal, all are correct. Those who have completed, write the formula of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Yes, Kinjal, correct. Next, yes, Ronit, Nafisha, Rajanna, all are correct. Sodium hydroxide Na1 hydroxyl 1. So it would be NaOH. Now you will add 2 more anions. You will add, yes, correct, everyone, Somnath, Kinjal, all are correct. Now you will add 2 more anions on the chart, and I am writing down this name of the 2 anions. First of all, write down dichromate. Dichromate, and write down the formula Cr2O7, 2 minus, and the valency is 2. I am adding 2 more anions and permanganate. Permanganate MnO4 minus, it is the formula, and the valency is 1. And also write chromate. Chromate CrO4, 2 minus, and the valency is 2. Wrong with the respect of your caption, that is in the small letters, NaOH. I have told at first that here no need to write in appropriate, because there is the capital letter or small letter, you only mention the formula with their valency. Now add these 3, dichromate, permanganate, chromate, and with their valency 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so with respect to these, the lastly added cation, I will name some, suppose potassium chromate. Potassium chromate. I am waiting for your answer. Potassium chromate. No, Ronnie, just check the valency. Chromate. It is not dichromate. Yes, now to some extent it is correct. Yes, Rajanna. Yes, Rajanna give the correct answer. CrO7, not O7, CrO4. Yes, K2CrO4. Correct, everyone. Yes. So potassium, that is K, and it is CrO4 1 and 2. So K2 CrO4. Okay students, so practice more such kind of formula so that you can well enable to do the formula work. Okay, so that's all for this class. Next class we will start from the next part of that chapter, that is molecular mass and mole concept. Okay, so bye.